In this module we will know about the brakes and the braking system as well as different type of braking system used in an automobile vehicles. What is brake? Brake is a mechanical device that inhibits motion by absorbing energy from a moving system. Let's understand the theory and functions of the braking system. The brakes are required to stop the vehicle within the smallest distance possible, which is accomplished by converting the kinetic energy to heat energy, which is then dissipated into the atmosphere. The brakes should also allow to control the speed of the vehicle while tackling turns and while driving on a slope. Let's know about design considerations for a braking system. Brakes should be strong enough to stop the vehicle within the minimum distance. Provide good vehicle control during emergency conditions, meaning that the vehicle should not skid. Good anti-fade characteristics. It also has efficient cooling of the system. Classification of brakes. Based on application. First, primary brake, which is used to control the motion of the vehicle. Second is secondary brake, which is used to hold the vehicle when parked. Based on brake force distribution. Single acting brake, dual acting brake, based on power source or actuation. There are mechanical braking system, hydraulic braking system, air or pneumatic braking system, vacuum braking system, magnetic braking system, electric braking system. Based on construction, there are drum brake, disc brake. Let's understand what is drum brake. A drum brake is brake that uses friction, which is caused by a set of pads or brake shoes that press outward against a rotating cylinder-shaped part, which is called as a drum. The term drum brake usually means a brake in which shoes press on the inner surface of the drum. Components of drum brake system. Backplate provides a solid base for other components in the drum brake attached to the axle sleeve. Brake drum bolted to the wheel hub and spins with the wheel. Often made of cast iron, and is resistant to heat and wear. This is what you see when you look at an assembled drum brake and is the component upon which braking force is applied to slow or stop the car. Brake shoe pushes into the drum to create the friction necessary to slow or stop the car. Secured to the backing, but able to slide when pressure from the wheel cylinder is applied. It has a lining attached to it, made up of organic or metallic compounds. The lining is what actually comes in contact with the drum and wears away with use. Wheel cylinder contains two pistons, one at each end of the cylinder, to operate the brake shoes. The cylinder applies pressure to the pistons, which pushes the brake shoes towards the drum, slowing or stopping the car. The cylinder is needed per wheel. Automatic adjuster keeps the brake shoes at a consistent distance away from the drum, even as the lining wears away. Return springs pulls the brake shoes back away from the drum when the driver lets off the brake pedal. The brake drum is fixed to the wheel and turns with it. On braking, the wheel cylinder forces the fixed brake shoes apart and presses them against the brake drum, thus slowing it down. When the brake is released, the return springs move the brake shoes back to their original position. Hope you understand some basic general knowledge for the brakes and braking system. In next module we will know about different type of brakes and their functions. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.